In today's episode, we will discuss how to make a narcissist feel remorse for everything they have done to you. A narcissist can feel remorse for the things they have done to you that were not in your best interest. However, it's important to know that a narcissist doesn't care about what happens to you or how you feel. Their main goal is to fulfill their own needs, and they don't care about others. Although my speaking style is in the masculine form to facilitate the transfer of information, it is important to know that everything we discuss about narcissism is not specific to any gender, whether it be women or men. The narcissistic personality we are talking about can be either a man or a woman. Thank you very much for your support. If you find this content helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for helping spread this message to those who can benefit from it. A narcissist always wants to feel superior and important, and they need their needs to be constantly met. They are self-centered and don't care about you. If you want to make a narcissist feel remorse, you can cut off contact with them. The narcissist will feel pain and sadness due to losing contact with someone who meets their needs. Therefore, if you want the narcissist to feel remorse for what they have done to you, cutting off contact may be the right step. However, you should remember that this doesn't necessarily guarantee that the narcissist will truly feel remorse. The narcissist may completely ignore you and not feel any regret when you take this step. You need to remember that the narcissist doesn't care about you or how you feel. They only focus on fulfilling their own needs. When we talk about cutting off contact with a narcissist, we are talking about using a powerful weapon against this destructive personality type. When you cut off and block all forms of communication between you and the narcissist and redirect your energy and attention away from them, it will cause the narcissist to feel a tremendous sense of horror and experience pain they can't imagine. The narcissist is in an excellent position when they feed off you and your energy during interactions, draining all your efforts in the relationship. And when you direct all your attention and care towards a specific person, like the narcissist, they are assured of their control and dominance over you. This is what the narcissist needs from you, and it's what they thrive on. Therefore, confronting the narcissist and talking to them to understand the reason for the clash or misunderstanding between you can be difficult and complex. Therefore, cutting off contact with the narcissist can be the best solution to maintain your mental well-being and prevent the narcissist from controlling you. When the narcissist feels a loss of control, they can change and begin to reflect on their behaviors and their impact on others. When the narcissist starts to feel bored with you and seeks another person who provides them with attention and focus, they are looking for a new source of narcissistic supply. Narcissistic supply is vital to the narcissist. They depend on it to survive. When you start cutting off contact with the narcissist, you deprive them of the psychological nourishment they need, which makes them feel pain and shock. When the narcissist relies on you to meet their needs and requirements, they lose control when contact is severed, and they feel an urgent need to fulfill these needs. Therefore, cutting off contact with the narcissist can be difficult and painful for both parties, but it may be the only solution to safeguard your mental well-being and free yourself from the control exerted by the narcissist. Once you start cutting off contact and withdrawing the supply of attention, energy, and care that you used to provide to the narcissist, they realize that you are no longer responsive to their needs and start seeking a new source of narcissistic supply. When the narcissist feels that you are no longer responsive to their needs, they may attempt to contact you directly or through someone else in an attempt to regain you and obtain the energy and supply they used to receive from you. The narcissist depends on you to fulfill their needs and requirements, and when you distance yourself, they lose control and feel an urgent need to obtain these needs. Therefore, the narcissist may try to regain you and establish contact with you in various ways, and they may make significant efforts to obtain the supply they used to receive from you. When the narcissist feels unable to regain you, they may experience one of the most challenging times in their life. The situation can be similar to losing a close friend who you relied on and regularly spoke to. When your friend distances themselves from you, they may feel an urgent need to contact you and talk to you, and they may make significant efforts to maintain contact with you. The narcissist can learn from the experience of loss and distance from you, and their behavior may change in the future, but it can be challenging for them to completely change their way of thinking and behavior. Therefore, cutting off contact with the narcissist can be difficult and painful for both parties, but it may be the only solution to safeguard your mental well-being. When the narcissist feels deprived of something important in their life, it increases their need for that thing and intensifies their longing for it. The narcissist sees this situation as a challenge or battle and makes significant efforts to win this battle and obtain what they want. It is difficult for the narcissist to cope with the loss or deprivation of something important in their life, so they make significant efforts to regain what they have lost and achieve what they desire. Cutting off contact may be the strongest and most effective punishment against the narcissist, as it makes the narcissist feel regret for what they have done to you or for your distance from them. Cutting off contact allows you to focus on yourself and ignore the narcissist, making them feel neglected and self-conscious. When you focus on yourself and prioritize self-care, you can become more balanced and stable, and you start caring for yourself rather than the narcissist. The narcissist may notice a change in your thinking and behavior and begin to understand the impact their narcissistic behavior has had on you. If the relationship with the narcissist was toxic and risky, it is likely to eventually end either due to the narcissist's actions or your own decisions. It's important to remember that the narcissist is not capable of maintaining any relationship in a healthy way and may discard anyone at any time without hesitation. If you decide to cut off contact with the narcissist, it may be the best option as it can make the narcissist feel regret and sadness over losing you. The narcissist may start reflecting on their actions and behavior towards you and experience feelings of remorse. But what's most important right now is to focus on yourself and start rebuilding your life and pursuing your goals. You need to be strong and focus on achieving your dreams and personal growth after going through a toxic relationship. It will take time and effort to heal and recover, but you can achieve that by focusing on yourself and your goals. Certainly, the narcissist has multiple sources of supply, but you should remember that they do not want to lose anything and are not prepared for loss. Therefore, the narcissist will feel regret and remorse when they lose someone like you, and will rely on their limited energy. If you want to secure your needs for yourself and by yourself, you need to start prioritizing your goals and working towards them independently. You should learn how to rely on yourself and solve your problems without needing assistance from anyone else. True success and true revenge do not come from thinking about how to harm the narcissist or seek revenge on them, but from working towards your goals and securing your needs for yourself. Focus on yourself, self-improvement, and your life instead of focusing on the narcissist and their actions. If the narcissist has mistreated you, you should learn how to deal with them wisely and not allow them to destroy your life. Maintain your self-worth and dignity, recognize your true value, and work towards achieving it. Your behavior will determine the extent of your success in dealing with the destructive narcissist. You should learn how to handle them with caution and wisdom, and have patience and confidence in yourself. Therefore, you should work on self-development and be capable of achieving your goals independently without relying on anyone else. Learn how to rely on yourself, think positively, and work on improving yourself and your life.